2013 Ford Explorer Sport. Hi everyone, Carter Heiser, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com, the dealer with no outrageous hidden fees. Let me show you this beautiful platinum white, that's the pearl white, Explorer Sport. It's a local trade, clear Carfax, independently inspected. We're buying you a 12-month, 12,000 mile powertrain warranty that's good nationwide. You can upgrade it really reasonably. Tires are 80% or better. Has the tow package. It has that awesome brown and black two-tone interior. Sony touchscreen. No navigation and remote start. Seating for 7, 3 rows. 3.5 EcoBoost in it. It is super clean. Again, it's a local trade. It's coming with warranty. It's been inspected. Fly in, drive it home. Just a really nice vehicle. 1/4 the price of a new one. Yeah, come and see it at Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, or AutoramaAuto.com, and we'll send you home in this beautiful Ford Explorer.